This part was completed. Is my screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This part was completed. These examples were completed.
Yes, sir. In previous class, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा. I think actually this part also covered. Now today we start from here. Some examples are given. It was there?
Yes,
Previous.
sir.
Okay. I think then this is the proof. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so here we have to find out that.
हेलो सर, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर बोल रहे थे सर कि जो क्वेश्चन है उसको सर आप कॉपी में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं सर.
Actually, today I have tried that, but I don't have any mobile holder. It was my problem. If there is mobile holder, and today evening I'll go to the market to buy the mobile holder. After that, it will be possible, right?
Yes. थैंक यू सर.
क्योंकि बाया हाथ में मोबाइल लेके दाना हाथ में लिखना पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. आज हम कोशिश किए हैं सुबह में, तब हम मैसेज किया जी एक मोबाइल होल्डर का जरूरत है, तो आज शाम में हम खरीद लेंगे, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास से इट विल बी पॉसिबल, राइट?
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Welcome. So here it is given that prove that 2 sec square theta minus sec to the power 4 theta minus 2 cosec square theta plus sec to the cosec to the power 4 theta. We have to prove all those things is equal to 1 minus 10 to the power 8 theta by 10 to the power 4 theta. So look at the given problem. Left hand side, all the part is given in sec and cosec. We know that sec theta and tan theta, there is a formula. Right hand side given all into the tan theta. So we have to make the change all sec theta cosec theta into the tan theta. So we know that there is a formula for sec tan. So this sec can be changed into the tan theta. Sec square theta can be written 1 plus tan square theta, and cosec theta can be written 1 plus cot square theta. Then that cot can be written that 1 by 10. So our object to mend all those things into the tan and cot. After that, cot will be taken as the multiple of this. Now look at here solution. 2 sec square theta, the left hand side is written here. Now 2 into sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta minus, again sec to the power 4 theta can be written as sec square theta whole square. That sec square theta can be written into the part of 1 plus tan square theta, that whole square, minus 2 cosec square theta means 1 plus cot square theta. We are putting this, and this cosec to the power 4 theta can be written cosec square theta whole square. Cosec square theta can be written 1 plus cot square theta, that whole square. Now we are making this. From this 2 we can take common 1 plus tan square theta minus 1. If we take common 2 from this part and this part, we are taking common 2 from first part and third part. Then for first part it will be coming 1 plus tan square theta. From the third part it will be coming minus 1 minus cot square theta. It is written here. Plus here 1 plus cot square theta whole square means 1 plus 2 cot square theta plus cot to the power 4 theta. Then we are written minus 1 plus tan square theta whole square means 1 plus 2 tan square theta plus tan to the power 4 theta. Okay. So here plus 1 minus 1 cut. It is cut, only tan square theta minus cot square theta is coming here, plus 2 cot square theta minus 2 tan square theta. We are taking this 2 cot square theta and minus 2 tan square theta here, writing here, and cot to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta. This plus 1 and this minus 1 will be cut. This plus 1 and this minus 1 will be cut. So it is coming into the part of all tan and cot. Now this tan and cot can be written into the part of, here it is written that 2 into tan square theta minus cot square theta. If we take common if we take common 2 from here, then it is 2 into cot square theta minus tan square theta. So this part and this part will be cut. This and this part will be cut. Because of that, here it will be 2 tan square theta minus 2 cot square theta. Here it is plus 2 cot square theta minus 2 tan square theta. So this 4 part will be cut. Only part will be coming cot to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta. Now this cot to the power 4 theta can be written that 1 by tan to the power 4 theta minus here 10 to the power 4 theta. Now making the LCM 10 to the power 4 theta, then it will be coming 1 minus 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 4, that is 10 to the power 8 theta, which was our right hand side. Is it understood? ये समझ में आया? एक्चुअली हम लोगों का राइट हैंड साइड देखना है उधर में क्या है. According to that, we have to make our formulas, right? This is the most important thing. Your right hand side, if any proof is or identity is given, then if we start from left hand side, then we have to observe right hand side very closely, which is given into the right hand side, and that will be given some indication to you that what you have to do. Here in the right hand side, already we have observed that all those things are given into the
Sir.
10. Yes.
Sir, please repeat, sir. Third line, first bracket, sir. One more
This
time,
one.
sir. Yes,
This
sir.
one.
Yes, sir. Can't understand.
Okay. Look at here, this part. From if we take that first bracket, this 2 into this, and in third part 2 into this. From this 2, if we take common 2, then from here it will be coming 1 plus tan square theta. That is written here.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
here-
Yes, sir.
That is 1 minus cot square theta. Okay. Then this plus 1 minus will be cut. That is tan square theta minus cot square theta will be occurred. And here this part is not written first. First, this part is written. That is 1 a plus b whole square. Here a equal to 1, b equal to cot square theta. So a square plus 2ab plus b square means cot to the power 4 theta, 2ab means 2 cot square theta 1, and then written this part, that is minus of 1 plus 2 tan square theta plus 10 to the power 4 theta. Now here this plus 1 minus 1 cut, and from last two part it will be coming 2 into tan square theta minus cot square theta. From here it will be coming now from here, if we take common this 2 cot square theta, and if we multiply it by minus, then it will be coming that 2 tan square theta. Then we are taking common taking this 2 part at a time, that is 2 cot square theta minus 2 tan square theta. Then plus 1 plus cot to the power 4 theta. This plus 1 and this minus 1 will be cut, and from here 1 minus 10 to the power 4 theta will be coming. So that is cot to the power 4 theta minus 10 to the power 4 theta will be come here. So from here, look at here, if we take multiplied by this, then 2 tan square theta minus 2 cot square theta, and if we just observe here, then it will be plus 2 cot square theta minus 2 tan square theta. This minus 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan square theta cut, and 2 cot square theta here minus 2 cot square theta cut. So only part will be coming cut to the power 4 theta minus 10 to the power 4 theta. Cot to the power 4 theta can be written that 1 by 10 to the power 4 theta minus 10 to the power 4 theta. Now taking the LCM as 10 to the power 4 theta, then 1 minus 10 to the power 4 theta into 10 to the power 4 theta, that is 10 to the power 8 theta, which is our right hand side. Now it is understood.
Yes, sir. Completely, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going for next problem. Prove that 3 sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power 4 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta minus 13 equal to 0. We have to prove this. So it is all those things in the left hand side is given into the sin cos part. So and right hand side is given 0. So any sin cos, all those sin cos will be cut it down, and we know that the formula for sin cos, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So where it is possible, we are writing that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Where it is not possible, on that case we have to find out another procedure. So we are starting from the left side. Left hand side is written here. Now this sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power 4. It can be written sin theta minus cos theta whole square, that whole square. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 6 into sin theta plus cos theta, that whole square, we are remaining unchanged here. Now, if we take that, it is sin to the power 6 theta can be written sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Can you write this? Instead of sin to the power 6 theta, we can write this sin square theta whole cube and cos square theta whole cube. Can you write this, na?
Yes, sir, sir. A plus B cube minus 3AB A plus B, na, sir?
Huh.
Yes, sir.
That will be the a cube plus b cube formula. So we are here written that a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b minus 13 here. Previously we have set our object. Where it is possible, we are make that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. It was our intention, है ना? ये हम लोग का इंटेंशन था, जहां पे पॉसिबल है हम लोग साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा को 1 पुट करेंगे. तो जितना पॉसिबल है वही हम लोग करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं इधर. Now this sin square theta sin theta minus cos theta whole square, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that can be written as 1 minus 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta, that whole square is coming here. Now 6 into here also sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. That sin square theta plus cos square theta, putting here 1 into 2 sin theta cos theta. Now plus 4 into here sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 cube means 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into that means 1. So here we can write down 4 into 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta minus 13. Now if we take common 3, if we take common 3 from firstly we are putting this one as 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, right? 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. Then we can write down that this is, if we consider that 1 equal to a and 2 sin theta cos theta equal to b, then it is the similar to a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab into b square. So a square means 1 square, that is 1 minus 2 into a means 1, b means 2 sin theta. So it will be coming that 4 sin theta cos theta plus b square means 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, that is 4 sin square theta cos square theta, that is written here. So 3 into 1 minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. So only this part is written. Now 6 into 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, it is remain unchanged. Now plus 4 into 4 into 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, that is also remain unchanged, minus 13. Now from here, if we abolish the all bracket, then it will be coming 3 minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta, isn't it? If we multiply by 3 and abolish the bracket, then it will be coming 3 minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. And if we multiply by 6, then it will be coming 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta. If we multiply by 4, then it will be coming 4 minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta minus 13. Now look at here, this 4 3 into minus 4 sin theta cos theta, that is minus 12 sin theta cos theta, and when we multiply by this 6, it will be coming plus 12 sin theta cos theta. So this minus 12 sin theta cos theta and this plus 12 sin theta cos theta will be cut. Now when we multiply it by 3 by 3 to 4 sin square theta cos square theta, this will be given that 3 into 4 12 sin square theta cos square theta. When we multiply it by 4, then it will be coming minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. So the sin theta cos theta part also cut and sin square theta cos square theta part also cut. So only remaining part from here it will be coming 3, from here it is 6, from here it is 4. That is C 3 plus 6 plus 4 minus 13 was remain unchanged, that is 13. So sum of this 3 is equal to 13 minus 13 equal to 0. Now tell me if someone not getting actually not understood, then they can ask me where they have not understood. So I think you people are understood,
हेलो
na? हाँ बोलो.
हाँ सर बोल रहे थे आपका सेकंड लाइन में मेरे को
Please,
डाउट
please,
है वो
please repeat.
प्लस
You are not audible.
करली
You are not audible at all. Okay, I'll repeat it again. Look at here. Here sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power 4. It can be written that sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power 4 can be written sin theta minus cos theta whole square, whole thing whole square. Now this 6 into sin theta cos theta whole square is remain unchanged. Then 4 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is sin to the power 6 theta can be written sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. That will be a cube plus b cube. We know that the formula of a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Here a means the sin square theta, b means the cos square theta. So a cube plus b cube will be given a plus b whole cube minus 3 into a b into a square plus into a plus b minus 13 is given here. Is this line is understood by everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole square. That means a minus b whole square. If we say that sin theta equal to a and cos theta equal to b, then it will be coming a minus b whole square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. That sin square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1. So that 1 is coming here minus 2 sin theta cos theta. That whole square was there. So whole square is given here. Plus 6 into here also a plus b whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means sin square theta, b square means cos square theta, plus 2ab means 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta will be given this one plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into here sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 cube means 1, so that is 1 is coming minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, again the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, so it will be coming 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta 4 into, so 4 into 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta minus 13. Now if we multiply by 3, now we are making that a minus b whole square again, as here it is given 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. So it can be written as a as 1 and b as 2 sin theta cos theta. So a square, that is 1 square, that is 1 minus 2 into ab, 2 into 1 into 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 into 1 into 2 sin theta cos theta, that means 4 sin theta cos theta, plus b square means 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, that is 4 sin square theta cos square theta, that is written here, plus 6 into this part is remain unchanged and 3 into this part is remain unchanged minus 13. Now if we multiply by 3 this part, multiply by 6 this part and multiply by 4 this part, then this 3 into minus 4 sin theta cos theta here will be minus 12 sin theta cos theta. And when we multiplied 6 into 2 sin theta cos theta, there will be 12 plus 12 sin theta cos theta. This minus 12 sin theta cos theta and this plus 12 sin theta cos theta will be cut. Again, when we multiply by 3, this 4 sin square theta cos square theta, it will be coming that plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. When we multiply by 4 into minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, then it will be coming then it is coming 3 plus 6 plus 4 minus 13 is equal to 0. Right? Now it is understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here find sin theta and tan theta if cos theta equal to minus 12 by 13 and theta lies into the third quadrant. So at first we have to go for that where it is given that theta is here or not. So here first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is given. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Someone is there. Now here the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. It is 0 to 90 degree. When 90 degree to 180 degree, that is called the second quadrant. Here sine and cosec are positive. All other the trigonometric ratios are negative. In second quadrant, sine, you just remember that sine. Then the reverse of sine, we know that cosec. Sine and cosec are positive and all other trigonometrical ratios are negative. In third quadrant, the angle between 180 to 270, here tan theta and cot theta are the positive, except tan theta, cot theta, all are negative. And fourth quadrant, it is 270 degree to 360 degree. Here cos and sec are the positive and all other trigonometric ratios are negative, right? So we have to remember this. So at a glance, we can say that all sine, tan, cos with the anti-clockwise, all means all positive here. Sine means sine and cosec positive. Sine means reverse of the sine also positive. All sine, tan means here the tan and cot and cos. So first quadrant is all, second is sine, third is cos, tan, fourth is cos. So we have to remember this. Now look at some problems are given here like that. Find sine theta and tan theta if cos theta equal to this and theta lies between the third quadrant. Theta times. Here value of the cos is given the negative, na? Cos theta is given negative. Theta lies third quadrant, that means tan and cot will be positive. Otherwise all are will be negative. So sine theta and tan theta, we have to find out the value of sine theta and tan theta. Cos theta is given minus 12 by 13. As theta lies into the third quadrant, all sine tan. So except tan and cot, all are negative. So cos theta is the negative. Now, from here we can find out from the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. We know that. So sin theta equal to plus minus root over 1 minus cos square theta. As theta lies into the third quadrant, so sin theta in the third quadrant is negative. Look at here. Third quadrant, tan and cot only the positive and all other trigonometric ratios are negative. So as sin theta is coming into the third quadrant, so it should be negative. So we are taking the negative signature from here. We are not taking the both of that plus minus. We have to take in third quadrant sin theta is negative. So we are taking sin theta equal to minus root over 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta equal to minus root over 1 minus, put the value of cos theta. Value of cos theta is equal to minus 12 by 13 whole square is equal to it is coming minus this minus from here, and actually it is 169 minus 144, then it will be coming 25 by 169. Then after taking the square root, we are taking 5 by 13. This minus sign is here. So we got the value of sine theta. So as we got that sign value of the sine theta and value of the cos theta is given. So we can find out easily the tan theta. Tan theta means sine theta by cos theta. We are making that tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. That is tan theta. Sine theta value of sine theta 5 by 13 by value of cos theta equal to minus 13 by 12. Now it is cut and it is coming minus minus plus 5 by 12. And we know that in third quadrant tan should be positive. So value of tan theta is coming here. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो then we are going for the next part. Find the values of theta, cos theta and tan theta. If sin theta equal to minus, sin theta is given minus 3 by 5. Pi means we know that 180 degree and 3 pi by 2. That means how much? 270 degree. So theta 180 to 270. 180 to 270, look at here. 180 to 270, that means theta lies into the third quadrant. Third quadrant. So here tan and cot are positive and all other trigonometric ratios are negative. So from here we got this information. Here it is given that theta is the third quadrant. So sin theta is given. Again, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. So cos theta equal to plus minus root over sin square theta. In the third quadrant, cos theta is negative and tan theta is positive. Right? We have to find out the cos theta and tan theta. So we are taking that cos theta equal to minus root over 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta equal to minus root over 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta equal to minus root over 1 minus sin theta value was given minus 3 by 5. So that is 9 by 25. 25 minus 9, that is 16 by 25. Under root, it is 4 by 5 and minus is from here. Now again tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 4. It is coming 3 by 4. Find all other trigonometrical ratio if sin theta is given minus 2 root 6 by 5 and theta lies in the third quadrant. For third quadrant, tan and cot only positive and all other trigonometric ratios are negative. So from here easily we can find out that cosec theta will be minus 5 by 2 root 6, isn't it? Cosec theta is the reverse of this, and in the third quadrant sin cosec both are negative. We can got cosec theta from here directly, and from sin cos formula we can find out the value of cos square theta. As it is in the third quadrant, cos theta negative, so we are taking minus root over 1 minus sin square theta. That is minus root over 1 minus value of sin square theta. That is 4 into 6, 24 by 25. Then it will be coming minus 1 by 5. We got the value of cos theta also. Sin theta is given, we got the value of cos theta. So from here we got the value of cosec theta. Cosec theta will be minus 5 by 2 root 6 and cos theta is given minus 1 by 5. So sec theta will be minus minus 5, 1 upon minus 1 by 5, that is minus 5. So we got the fourth trigonometrical ratio, that is sin, cos, cosec, sec. Now we have to find out the value of tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. That is given minus 2 root 6 by 5 into minus 5 by 1. That is 2 root 6. So from here we got the value of cot theta also 1 by 2 root 6. Look at here, cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. So cosec theta this. Already we got it. Sec theta equal to minus 5 and cot theta equal to 1 by 10. 10 means 1 by 2 root 6. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going for next example. If cos theta is given minus half, theta lies between pi to 3 pi by 2. That means theta lies into the third quadrant. Find the value of 4 tan square theta minus 3 cosec square theta. Cos theta is given. So we can find out the value of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, as theta lies into the third quadrant, so sin theta will be minus root over 1 minus cos square theta, minus root over 1 minus cos square theta, that means minus half whole square 1 by 4. So it will be coming minus root over 3 by 2. This is the value of sin. So value of cosec will be 2 minus 2 by root 3, right? Reverse of this, that is minus 2 by root 3. This is the value of cosec theta. So as we got the value of sin theta and value of cos theta given, so we can find out the value of tan theta. We are getting the value of tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is √3. Value of sin theta is equal to this by minus half. So this into minus 2, 2 cut, minus cut, only √3. So value of tan theta is coming √3. We got the value of cosec theta, got the value of tan theta. Now put the value of tan theta and cosec theta here. Tan theta equal to √3. So 3 into 4, 12, minus 3 into cosec square theta means 4 by 3. 3 into 4 by 3. So 3 cut 4, here 12 minus 4 equal to 8. आया बोला समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here it is given that if sec theta equal to √2 and 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi. So theta lies 270 degree to 360. That is theta lies into the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, we know that sec and cos are the positive. Look at here. Sec and cos are the positive. So the value of sec theta is given positive. Theta lies into the fourth quadrant. We have to find out the value of 1 plus tan theta plus cosec theta by 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Sec theta is given. So from here we know that we can find out the reverse of sec theta equal to cos theta. We got the value of cos theta. In the fourth quadrant, sin theta is negative. So sin theta means here plus minus √2, but theta lies into the fourth quadrant, which sin theta is negative. So sin theta is coming minus 1 by √2. So cosec theta equal to minus √2. We got it. So tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. That is tan theta equal to minus 1 by. So cot theta also minus 1. We got all the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta. So we are putting the value here. Tan theta means minus 1. Cosec theta means minus √2. Cot theta means we have getting that cot theta is minus 1 and cosec theta is equal to minus √2. We are putting all this value minus of minus √2, that is plus √2. Here minus 1 plus 1 cut. Here also minus 1 plus 1 cut. So minus √2 by plus √2, that is minus 1. So according to the given value of theta in which quadrant it is lies, we have to only remember that all sin tan cos. All means in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Then for the second quadrant, sin means cosec. Sin theta and cosec theta is only the positive trigonometrical ratio. All other ratios are negative in the second quadrant. And for the third quadrant, it is tan quadrant. Tan means cot also. Tan and cot are positive. All other thing negative. And last is cos. Cos means cos and sec are the positive. All other things are the negative. So according to the given value of the theta, we have to find out this. Now here given that find the value of the following trigonometrical ratio. Look at here, sin 315 degree. It can be written at first, which will be given, we have to divide this by 90 degree. Here if we divide this 90 degree, then it will be coming that 3.5. 3 means 3 into 90 degree plus 45 degree. 315 degree can be written 3 into 90 degree plus 15 degree. Right? This is the 315. Since it is 315, not 325, lies into the fourth quadrant, as it is more than 270 degree and less than 360 degrees, so it is lies into the third quadrant. Sorry, it is more than 270 and less than 360, so it is lies into the fourth quadrant, in which sin function is negative and 3 is an odd integer. We have to find out here if the multiple of 90 degree is, if the multiple of this 90 degree is odd, then sin will be change into the its complementary cos. Sin will be changed into the cos. If this multiple is odd, then sin will be changed into its complementary cos. If it is even, then sin will be remain signing. Right? Sin will be remain sign when this multiplier is even. When this multiplier is odd, then sin will be changed into the cos. Look at here, 3 is the odd, so sin will be changed into its complement, that is cos. So it will be coming cos. and 45 degrees. So one minus sign will be coming here. Because of that, sign is negative into the fourth quadrant. So minus 3 into 90 degree means sign coming into the complement of sign, that is cos. So minus cos 45 degree. Now put the value of cos 45 degree, that is minus 1 by root 2. Is it understood? At first, which angle will be given there? We have to find out that into the multiple of 90 degree plus something or minus something, maybe whatever you may be possible. You can write down it plus, so it will be very easy to you. And then you have to look at that in which quadrant the angle is lies. In which quadrant angle is lies, if it is find out, then we can say that in this quadrant these are positive and all are the negative. According to that, we are taking this negative or positive sign. Now, according to the multiple of the sign cos, then either sign or cos, if multiple is given odd, then it will be coming into its complementary. If it is sec, then it will be coming cosec. If it is tan, then it will be coming cot. If it is odd, if it is even, then which are given here, that will be remain unchanged. But here it is odd, so 3 into 90 degrees, so sign coming into its complement cos into 45 degree. Here degree sign is missed. Cos 45 degree. As this angle is situated on the fourth quadrant, so in fourth quadrant sign is negative. So we are taking the negative sign. Now we know that 0 to 90 degree. What is the value of the angles? Minus 1 by root 2. Next, cos 210 degree, 210 degree. That means it is lies into the third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is all sine tan cos. Cos is negative, so negative will be coming. So this 210 degree can be written 90 degree into 2 plus 30 degree. It is given the even multiple 90 into 2. So cos will be remain cos, but one negative will be coming. Huh?
Then
It will be
cos will remain unchanged.
Cos will be unchanged, so minus will be coming as it is the third quadrant 210 degree. In all sine tan, third quadrant cos is negative, one negative will be coming, cos 30 degree. Cos 30 means, what is the value of cos 30 degree?
Root 3 by 2. Root
Root
3
3
by
by
2, sir.
So it will be coming minus root 3 by 2. Now look at the problem. 90 into 2 into 30 degree minus root 3 by 2. As the multiple of 90 degree even, so cos will be remain cos, but this total angle is the third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is the negative, so that negative is coming and cos will be remain cos 30. Clear? Okay. And these are given here. So for today, this will be given to you people. For today class, I'll leave the class. Some assignment is there for me, some engagement. It will be given to Anubik sir. I'll give it to Anubik sir. Anubik sir will give to you. So for today, I'll leave the class.
Okay, sir.
Sorry Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye, sir.